What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the vlog. It's been a while since I've recorded new material. I vlogged something, but I don't think I'm gonna put it onto the channel. I just don't want to. But light off. It's another day. It's summer vacation, like officially now for most of us. And I posted a video of my cast from the show I did, Boeing, and we're having our pool party today. So I figured, why not vlog it? Oh, I'm wearing my shirt, my shirt that I made. It says OG, and then on the back it has the Fate of the 8 thing on it. I don't know if I can. Yeah. Basically, it says Fate of the 8, and then on the back it has all of our names on it. So Jacob, Dylan, Denise, Jordan, Kaylin, Jasmine, Arel, Sabrina, all the eight of us on the back. I made this shirt because I wanted to, and I love it very much. So, and I figure because it's like a summer day, I'm gonna wear it because I never wear this shirt. Like I forgot I even had it. I have to do a mission though. I have to run to the store, and I gotta go get some stuff for this pool party. So let's go. Success! Boom! Got the fruit thing. What is this called? Fruit snack tray, and I got an extra like watermelon one because I feel like people like watermelon, so people eat that. And Tori bought strawberries, so I didn't have to worry about getting extra strawberries. So yeah, and now I'm at Target because I want to find a couple things here, and then I'm gonna make my way over. And it's I also lost my headphones here, so I'm gonna try to see if I can find them. Hope that they're still here. All right, cool. Let's go do that. Update. I found my headphones, but the awkward thing is someone else was trying to take them, and she was like, "I swear they were mine." I'm like, "No. If you found them right in this specific spot, I know they're mine because of what I was doing yesterday." So I'm just saying, it was wild, but I was like, check the cameras, and you'll see that I left these there last night. They're my headphones. All right, now I'm gonna look for my other things for the pool party. Mission was I can't English today. Mission was a success. I got the shirt that I wanted, and so yeah, I'm gonna start making my way over, I guess, to Jason's house. And I think Sheridan and Madison and Tori all left already, but I don't know. When I was checking their Snapchat, they were still in Temecula, so they're still back home. But we'll see. Hopefully they make it, because I don't want to be by myself, because I'm just the most awkward person in the entire world. Okay, great. Thanks for listening. All right, cool. Bye. We're all here together in the pool, gonna swim and have fun and eat some fruit and chips and salsa. Yeah.
Bowing is swimming. Oh yeah.
Hell yeah.
When I start changing.
Yeah. Hey, girl. Oh yeah, there's a key. I had the key to unlock it, and I don't know. I put it on the chair. We're gonna just make them stand there.
So heavy. Oh my god.
Can't wait to get into that water.
So much fruit.
Hell yes! Now we have grapes. Hell yeah! Hi friends. It's summer, yo. Summer.
Freaking monstrosity. So Esther, I wanted to give you most likely to rock a bad wig. Thank you. I love you. Thank you. All right, moving on to Sheridan.
Wow.
Well, I had a lot of trouble picking her award because she's just so cool and I love her. But she just, every night there was something that everyone needed and Sheridan just had it. You need bobby pins, she's got it. You need water, she's got it. Gum, chapstick, deodorant, hairspray, anything. So I gave Sheridan most likely to be the cast's mother. Yes! Yes! I love her. All right, and this is someone who's just so pure and nice. And I had a really hard time picking her award too. But any time that I was sad, this person always came up and gave me a hug. Never really just was like cried to see what was wrong, which I appreciate. It was always just like, it's gonna be okay. So Fran, I gave you most likely to give everyone a good pep talk. Because I love you.
So funny. Look at our little,
all right,
our own thing.
this one, I'm gonna say this one for last. All right. This one I got strawberries on the back of. But I had a really hard time picking this person's award because I feel like we bonded so much throughout the show. And if I start saying more, I'll probably cry. So Madison, I gave you most likely to break everyone's character on stage. That's so funny. And I like any time that you would do anything, I'm like, oh God, I would have cracked. I would have cracked.
I did it all the time.
I did a crack.
It's so funny. It's just so funny. They say anything and I die laughing, and I feel like an unfunny person next to them because they're so funny. So Edric, I think you're most likely to have a hilarious joke. There's never a time when you don't have something that's gonna make everyone laugh.
Thank you.
Okay. Next is Allie. You were such a trooper throughout this entire show. Like we were just met with so many bad things throughout it all. You were just such like a positive attitude about it. You never complained about anything. They gave you a task. You were like, all right, let's do it. I mean, there were times where you were like, I can't do this, but you did. So I gave you most likely to have a smile on her face. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
With a smile on your face.
Thank you.
And then there's Jason, who I sat with most nights in the audience. We're pretty loud laughers, so I mean, they heard us throughout the entirety of the nights. I mean, but I heard you even when I wasn't sitting with you, so I gave you most likely to be heard from the audience. And my sweet Jacob. I thought of this, I mean, like, I think it was
So scared.
once you started,
I'm so terrified.
it was that one night when something clicked in you, and you just like went for it. I mean, you pulled out all the stops, and Jason and I were just so incredibly proud of you. And I told Jason, I'm like, I mean, I wonder if Jacob's gonna have to go to the hospital because of how bad his back hurts from carrying this entire show. So Jacob, I gave you most likely to break his back from carrying the
I made it, Mom. Thank you.
I gave you most likely to be sweaty.
This one's for Tori because she's always so well dressed and everything she does is in style. So Tori has dopest fashion.
Woo! So right. We got good food, and we got the better food, and we got. We went swimming. We went in the pool, you guys. And I probably look like a psychopath, but that's okay. It's fine. And then there's Edric just walking around the pool. Oh, he's collecting that. I got it. Just our good little pool boy. There he is. There's our boy.
You want the ham? What do I speak to?
Just.
Hey.
Hi.
The ham is in your tummy. Yeah, it is.
Wait, can you do that again?
What'd you do?
Just her. She did like a. True facts. Anyway, saying goodbye to Fran now. So, it was nice. It's nice knowing you. Goodbye. Go back to your country. I don't know why I keep making friends with people who don't live in America, because they just leave every time, and it's devastating. I have a little bit longer with Esther because I have to drive her back, so I'm not going to say bye to Esther yet, because then that'll just make me sad. But I don't like that. We have a 2-minute drive to get back to campus, and I'm going to enjoy that 2-minute drive. Bye. Bye, my little British love so much. So sad that you're leaving.
Have a safe flight.
I do this to myself every time. Safe flight. Goodbye to Esther, to this amazing, talented human being. She's not dying. She's just going back home. So. And then we didn't vlog anything else for the rest of the day because we were just kind of sad because we were saying farewell to 2 of our amazing friends, Fran and Esther, who came on this journey with us. And this show has been one of my absolute favorites to ever be a part of. And I was so happy that we got to do like this last little like celebration of like the end of the school year and the end of the show. And so, yeah, I miss them so much. They've been gone for a little bit now, but now I'm finally putting this video together, and I miss them. I do. I miss them a lot. And you know, it's just been so much fun getting to bond with this cast, and from where we were at in the beginning and then to what we ended up being by the end, like the transformation was just incredible. But you know, we already started off with an amazing group of performers and actors, and this cast is so talented, and I love them so much. And I just want to say thank you guys for watching this vlog, or for coming out to the show if you made it to the show. And I love you guys, and this is it, because I didn't have any other footage to like really close out the vlog, so that's why I'm just doing this ends late with our first like cast picture and our last cast picture. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye.